RPA Trucking and Survival, welcome back. Thanks for tuning back in. If you haven't already subscribed, please do that now, man. Red button down at the bottom, hit the bell, get notifications on future videos. It was a shitty week, man. Yeah, it was. I'm gonna give it to you guys straight. I'm always gonna tell the truth. I'm not gonna sugarcoat things, man. It was a shitty week. I can't always expect to be getting those, 2 Flagstaffs a week. Like, it's just not, I guess it's just not feasible. It's not reality. So yes, it was a shitty week. They shorted me on my check as well. I only got 150 bucks. I should have, I grossed 500. I should have grossed 700. And then of course I have child support takes 143 from me, so there's that deduction in my responsibilities. And then the 36 that, night takes from me and all that. So I should be getting back another couple hundred tomorrow. So Night is good about righting their wrongs, but to be honest with you, I'm tired of it. I'm tired of that. It's definitely very frustrating when you're out here busting your back. I had to couple today in the rain. Boo! But it's you don't want to deal with stuff like that, especially on days like today, when it was raining. It sucks to have to deal with that. You got to be on the phone with payroll, but I have to say, they always answer and they always end up fixing it. But it would just be nice to not be shorted on a check. It's always come through the next day, so I can't complain as far as that, but it'd be nice if it just stopped happening and I wasn't shorted on my checks. So I only got one Flagstaff run, okay? I went from Long Beach to Phoenix. Long Beach to Flagstaff, and I had to bring my damn truck in for B service, just checking all the bells and whistles, making sure that everything is functioning properly. It's basically an in-depth computerized pre-trip. So I went from Flagstaff to go from Long Beach to Flagstaff down to Phoenix. Ended up being a 390 mile round trip, and usually it's 350. I'm sorry, what am I saying? A $390 round trip. Okay, so whereas usually it's 350 round trip from Long Beach to Flagstaff to Long Beach, that's 350. After going from point A to point B to Phoenix and then back, I ended up getting only about 390 bucks off that. It's like only another $40. Hey, what can you expect from 39 cents a mile, guys? So yeah, that was that. And then I ran from LA to Phoenix. So after I dropped that Purina load at Pier A, same spot, Pier A, picked up another load, brought it up to Phoenix. So first I had to sleep overnight at the yard in Phoenix after Flagstaff. Slept overnight in Long Beach, California at the Rancho yard. Brought it up here to Phoenix. And now I'm here at Wiley's Well. And damn, is it gorgeous out here, guys. The stars are absolutely beautiful. I love it right here in the in-between, I like to call it, because it's dark. You can see everything. Like, this is one of my most favorite parts of the job is, even after having to deal with, some shit, I'm able to just look up. It's a beautiful place to meditate and to just be, because it is so important sometimes to turn the lights off and just be. A lot of us don't spend enough time with ourselves. Sure, you're with yourself all day, but you're not really with yourself, if you know what I mean. My other content goes into depth on what I think on that. So yeah, it was a shitty week. Yes, they shorted me on my pay. They've done it more than once, but hey, they always end up fixing it, you know. I end up seeing that money the next day. So guys, all of you who are new, who just got hired, yes, you're gonna have some frustrating times. Don't internalize these things, okay? Just get on the phone. Payroll picks up the phone. They do. And they'll handle your issue. Just make sure that you log everything. That's it. Just make sure that you log everything. After that, it's up to your DM, your driver manager, to get that info to payroll, okay? Some of these DMs are dealing with a lot of people, you know. Shit happens, but less shit needs to happen. So, anywho, that was my week. Slightly shitty week, yeah. But hey, it's okay. You know, things are gonna get better. I'm not gonna give these things all my energy, because in the end, I still end up losing. You know, not only am I shorted some money, not only is it not as full of a week as it was, but then spiritually and emotionally, it just, so no, I'm not down for that. Not gonna do it. There are new opportunities. A new door is opening for me. It's on the rise. Stay tuned for it. Smash that like button. Hit that subscribe. I hope I did that in the right order. I hope I pointed to the correct side of the screen for that. Make sure you hit all so you can get notifications on all future videos. I was going to show coupling today and uncoupling, but it was raining and I didn't want to get my phone wet. So, next time. So sorry. So we'll do that next time, guys. So for now, that's gonna be all. That's gonna make this video nice and short, not too long, I hope. If you're interested in starting, all the information is in the description box below. Contact Emily WYSMIERSKI. She's great. She'll have you up and running within a week. Depends how fast and how well you absorb that information from the CDL handbook, and you go get your DOT physical, and you'll be good to go. Okay? And you contact Emily, fill out that application down below. And if it's difficult to contact Emily, I will put her in touch with you. Just contact me directly at redpilloware@yahoo.com or comment down below and let's get to talking, okay? So, with all that said, night transportation, one of the best places to begin, where you can get paid for school, paid well for training, and then the rest is up to you. RPA Trucking and Survival, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Stay tuned for the next one, and especially for the new opportunities that is opening up to me. It's going to be a fun ride. Stay tuned. See you guys on the road, man. I love you all. I love my subscribers. I love my new ones. Hope to see and talk to you very soon. Take care.